Hello everyone and welcome to the Mystical YouTube Hop hosted by Sandra and Sandy. There are 9 talented crafters participating in this hop, which gives you 9 chances to win one of our giveaways. Giveaway rules are you must be 18 years or older, must be a visible subscriber to all of the channels in this hop, comment on each video. For mine, you must include a phrase, which I will tell you in a bit. Giveaway closes Friday, June 29th at 11 a.m. Central Time. Winner will be announced in a video on Saturday, June 30th at 11 a.m. Central Time. As for my giveaway, it will be open worldwide. I will be giving away a $25 credit to your PayPal account or to your favorite online craft store. Along with your lovely comment, please include the phrase, "I do believe in fairies, I do," because my project is a fairy themed. The collection that I used is by Polkadoodles, and I know I haven't announced it yet, but I am now designing for Polkadoodles, you guys, and I am super excited. I'm going to have a direct link to this collection. You get 10 colored fairies, you get 10 digital stamps, you get all of these papers, which is 24 of them, and then you get these phrases, which come they're individually, so each one is an individual phrase, plus you get this one, which are tickets. That one comes all together, as you can see right there. I was going to use it, but I ended up not using it. Also, I do have a little process video on how I got this put all together, the project, and yeah, so I do show you again these sheets. All right, now on to the project. Okay everyone, and here's my project. I made a shaker hoop, as you can see right there, and I am super excited how it came out. In case you're interested, it is a 6-inch hoop. This is an embroidery hoop. Here is some of the paper that I used. In the background also has some paper. Now, I made this hoop inspired by 2 ladies. First of all, if you recognize this shaker, it is using tulle, and this was inspired by Archana. She has a tutorial how she made that. I will link that video down below. And Rena, who is Scrapbook Fashionista here on YouTube, I will link her video. But I was inspired by hers because she made cards using this collection, using the fairies, and they are just gorgeous. And I think she added some stickles to hers, or she added like little pearls. I didn't do much to mine. As you can see, all I did was just add stickles. And I think this is my favorite fairy, and I do mention that in the process video. These flowers are just a combination from, I think these are from Archana's Wild Orchid Crafts, I Am Roses, and this foam flower was gifted to me by Martha, so thank you so much, Martha, for that. This trim is, I believe, probably from Ali. These are one of those centers that those flat back centers that Yoli gave me in an embellishment box. This trim is from Hobby Lobby, and that's my whole project, you guys. And you will see on the process video that this came along so super easy. I have, ever since I watched that video, I've been wanting to make this shaker hoop. Archana's is see-through because she added tulle in the front and in the back. Mine is just in the front. The star of this project is, of course, you guys, this gorgeous fairy, and I absolutely love the way she looks. You all know that I've been trying to color, and I can't color, you guys. That's why I haven't shown anything here on YouTube, because yeah, you know what, I think it's just not my thing. And Polkadoodles has so many images, you guys, and they're already colored, and I really like that they give you that option. This worked perfect for me, and look how beautiful that coloring is, you guys. And then I did use my brother's scan and cut to cut it out, and so and also I like the fact that it does have, you know, the black outline, so it made it easy for the brother scan and cut to scan it for me, and to cut it out. It made it really easy. And I did leave the option of having a, you know, a border around it. You don't have to, but I chose to do that. So this is my project. I hope you've enjoyed watching everyone's videos. Don't forget to leave a comment on everyone. And don't forget to follow the rules, you guys, because we do double check to see who has been, you know, commenting on each of the videos. So that is it for today, and enjoy the process video. Bye everyone. Okay, so here are the sheets, all the patterns that come with the collection. So I wanted to share that with you just in case you haven't seen it. Here are some images, and they are, you guys, gorgeous. And then I have these that I resized just a lot smaller actually. And the one that I'm going to be using is this one right here, and you can see that she is much larger. This is the original size, so this is much smaller, as you can see right here. And this is another one of my favorite. She's a favorite. She's adorable. My second favorite is this one right here. Oh, I love her. This is printed on 110-pound cardstock from Joann's. So I've already cut my piezo tool, and this is white. I bought this from Joann. I did get like a yard of it. This is a quick process, you guys. I'm going to try and do this as quick as I can. Archana has a tutorial on how she made hers. Mine is, because the back is going to be paper. It's not going to be all the way see-through like Archana's. So I went with this bigger size because I think it's a better scale for this project. Because I was going to use this one, which it doesn't look bad, but I like the bigger one. Plus that way there's not much, you know, blank space. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so Archana, like, she used double-sided tape, but you know what? I'm just going to use this one, and let's see how it goes. So this is the silicone glue that I've been mentioning a lot. I will have a link in the description box to where you can buy it. And all I'm going to do is just put a bead of glue all around. Alright, now what I'm going to do is get my tool. And I'm going to place it on top. Just like that. And then I'm going to get the other one. That's supposed to go on the outside. And now I'm going to get this little thing. I don't know what this is called. And I'm going to tighten it. And as I'm tightening it, I'm going to stretch this out because I want it to be nice and firm. This feels pretty good. So I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm deciding what I'm going to use for the background paper, and these are the two that I liked the best. Here is the big sequence that I have chose to use, and these are all the same size from Hobby Lobby. It is a 10mm, and these are all the different colors that I have that I got because I thought, I don't know if I'm going to mix all of these colors together. And so I wanted something big. Originally I wanted some plastic beads because they're lightweight. And then I also got these from Hobby Lobby. These are beads. They're glass cube beads, and I like it because it's a lavender color. And then these are from Walmart. These are just glass seed beads, just to add some sparkle to that. So I got a little bit of all the sequins that I had, except for I left these two colors out because I still don't know if I'm going to add these. I just added, I don't even know how much, and then with my scissors I just try to mix it, swirl it in there, and let's see how that looks. I think that's enough. If I add some gold, what I'm going to do is add some of the, actually I'm going to add it, but I'm not going to add very much. Just, yeah, that's about it. And I did want it to sparkle a little, so I am going to add some of this one. If you ever get a chance to make some of these, you guys, just have fun with it. I'm just going to pour a little bit more. This is fun, actually. Just mixing your sequins. Okay, now I'm going to decide on the background. And for some reason, I liked this from the very beginning. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some of this silicone liquid glue, and I'm going to add it to the rim of the embroidery hoop, and then I'm going to get my pattern paper and just place it just like that. It's been about, I don't know, maybe half an hour, maybe more, since I adhered the glue, and I did leave it upside down the whole time, and I was pressing on it here and there, as you can see. And I did that just so that the glue can adhere well onto the paper and onto the embroidery hoop. And I didn't want to turn it over, and I did that once, and because it wasn't fully dried, one of the sequins did get stuck, but I was able to remove it, luckily, with a needle. So now everything looks good, and you can see there are my shaker pieces in there. Some of them stand up, but that's okay because they're so big. But I really love the way it looks, you guys. So I chose this pattern to add to the back so that the back is not just white. And I don't know if you can read that, but it says, for example, here it says, I do believe in fairies. I do. Believe in your dreams, spread your wings and soar. And that goes super well with the theme. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to add some glue and then cut it out. Something I did off camera was, I don't know if you can tell, yes, I think you can tell, I have added stickles to the butterfly, to her dress, and to her hair, and then I just added dots to her wings. And you can see, and I used my brother's scanning cut to cut this image out, and I used my personal printer, and it's not an expensive printer, print out this image, and you can see that it is just so beautiful, you guys. All right, now it's time to decorate the front.